the red planet has gullies that appear and then disappear in their sand dunes, just as water forms them on Earth. And it seems that the sublimation of carbon dioxide, the process by which a substance changes from a solid to a gas without an intermediate liquid phase, is responsible. Experts believe that the newly discovered phenomenon is different from everything seen on Earth. The sublimation occurs during the winter of Mars, which are cold enough to freeze the gas in blocks that then break the patterns in the sand, and then, when spring arrives, the block melts. However, the current climate of Mars does not often support water in a liquid state, so it is important that we understand the role of other volatiles that probably modify Mars today. Mars has seasons, just like Earth, which means that in winter, much of the CO2 in the atmosphere changes state to gas and deposits on the surface in that form. Process whereby the CO2 gas pressurized beneath the seasonal ice deposit erodes complex patterns on the surface of the dune when the ice fractures and releases the gas powder and gas geysers. The researchers designed and built a low-humidity chamber and placed blocks of CO2 on a granular surface that revealed that CO2 sublimation can form a range of furrow morphologies that are similar to those observed on Mars. Linear ravines are another example of active Martian characteristics that are not found on Earth. They are long, sometimes sinuous, narrow, that are thought to be formed from blocks of CO2 ice that fall from the edges of the dunes and slide down,